Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, May 25th, 2016. And today, in our Tech News Update, Google is putting more and more pressure on carriers and also phone makers in pushing the latest version of its operating system, Marshmallow. That's the probably biggest problem with Android phones compared to, say, iOS or iPhones, which are updated immediately. Google phones tend to take a long time to update, especially the ones that are not made by Google, but more like the Galaxy S6 phones and so on. So that annoys Google a lot, and also annoys some users. Basically, now Google has been in talks with many companies that make phones, but also with carriers, because some carriers block the updates and only release them much later. So Google wants to change that, and I think that would not be a bad idea. Well, it seems that the US government is spending millions a year maintaining old computer systems. And they say that some of the computer systems they use in some departments are even 50 years old. Imagine 50-year-old computers. So, that picture I'm using it isn't that far off, I would guess. So, they in that report that talks about this, they say, look, government needs to put more money in trying to update everything because it's costing an enormous amount of money to keep these computers running. And it also costs an enormous amount of money when you think that a lot of these devices, the parts are almost impossible to find. So often they will be bought at a very high price. So it's surprising, when you think about it. We think of the society in North American society and modern society, but you look at that and you say, wow, there's still old stuff lying around. Well, Microsoft once again, basically restructuring its phone business, and of course, mostly talking here about Nokia. That is probably where everything's going to happen. So 1,850 jobs, 1,850 more jobs are cut. $950 million write-off. So it ain't going well in the phone business. And, with all these cuts, I think it shows that we're not going to see Windows phones maybe for many years to come. And of course, it is very sad, for all of those that work there and that will lose their jobs, unfortunately. Twitter's finally rolling out the 140 character limit change. In regular text, you will still be restricted to 140 characters, but some things will not count as characters. So, for example, if you put pictures, if you retweet somebody else, and you, of course, tweet with the name of that person, well, that name, the at symbol with the name, will not count as 140 characters. So a few changes like that will help in maintaining more of a text and less of using all sorts of cryptic language, because you just don't have enough space to write. One of the things that's not there, it seems, that I would have liked to see is links. Having links not count as characters. So when are these changes coming to effect? It's rolling out in the next few months. So if you, of course, most people don't have it right now, but eventually you'll see that it's going to appear on your account, and when you tweet, it's not going to be. There are things that are not going to be counted in the characters. And finally, lots of ranting once again about the Windows. Paul Tarot got really mad on his Tarot.com website, talking about how Microsoft is basically really bad in pushing Windows 10 the way it is. The latest change, of course, in that one of the comments I had said in previous videos, is that when you have the upgrade window that gives you that date when you have to upgrade, or you can be upgraded. If you click the X, you were kind of saying, no, I don't want. Well, now clicking the X doesn't do that. Clicking the X is actually upgrading your system. You're agreeing to it. So this is getting a lot of people mad. Once again, very, very pushy Microsoft. And I do understand some users that really are getting mad at Microsoft for these practices. Just incredible. Really, really incredible. And I think they don't even see that it's earthing the brand. It's earthing Windows 10 itself. Really sad. So that was the tech news update for Wednesday, May 25th, 2016. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. If you like the videos, of course, you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching.